Vetiver, that is Vala, is a medicinal plant, and the sherbet we are going to make has a calming effect on the nervous system, relieves thirst and burning sensations. It promotes digestion, relieves constipation, and reduces ulcers. This magic potion is said to have a large amount of antioxidants present in it and is good for the skin since it has anti-aging properties. Let us see how this healthy drink is made. To make sherbet, we need Vala, that is Vetiver, 80 to 100 grams, palm jaggery or sugar, 500 grams, water, 1 liter. Take 80 to 100 gram vetiver, that is Vala, and soak it overnight in 1 liter water. Once soaked, boil the vetiver in the soaked water for 15 minutes on medium flame. Strain this water through a sieve and collect the extract. Add 500 gram jaggery or sugar, bring this to a boil, reduce the flame to medium and cook until we get a highly viscous concentrate, that is syrup consistency. Sterilize a glass bottle and pour the hot syrup directly into the bottle, immediately covering tightly with a lid. Let it cool to a room temperature and once cool, refrigerate the concentrate. The shelf life of this concentrate is 15 to 20 days. To prepare the sherbet, add 1/4 part syrup with water and enjoy this summer cooler.